pretty, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it fell apart. I
Yeah.
see that. Oops.
Is that 4 necklaces?
This didn't hold up to drying very well. Oh well.
Pretty.
We can make new ones. Uh-oh.
That didn't work, did it? I'm glad this is on video.
A fail in every single way.
Did you bite that in half?
I told your papa you wouldn't be able to do that. Your papa said that's the first thing that's going to happen. Oh. There went your steak.
They sure were pretty, though.
You know what?